Hey guys, it's me, Emily, and today I don't know, I just wanted to show my face. So yeah, because today we are doing sorry, I didn't introduce her, but this is honestly my friend.
Yeah.
And she is going to help me out with she's going to do the Guess That Squishy tag. And so yeah, I was like, we have here, let me show you. We have my squishies, my real squishies, and then we have my homemade squishies. Well, I don't have a lot, but that's my homemade squishies. Oh, one fell out. Oops. But yeah. Okay. Anyways, let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to be the first one to start. I'm just gonna take off my tie around your eyes. I'm gonna put it on my face because I have nothing to cover my face with. Sorry. The struggle is real, guys. The struggle is real. Okay, I don't want to make this too long. But okay, so I have it on. How many?
You should tie it around your waist, like kind of like an apron type thing.
I guess it's fine right here.
Okay, so first we are doing the homemade squishies.
Yeah, we're doing the homemade squishies first. I don't know where the camera.
In this box.
Okay, can the camera see me? First show them the squishy, and then get. I can't see at all. I can't even breathe.
Okay. Okay. Wait, put your hands up a little bit. Okay.
Can I see it?
No. You have to try to guess it.
I know. Can they see it?
Yeah.
This is the Pom Pom Purin Jello cupcake thing. Yeah, I got it right. Here you go.
Okay, the next one. Okay. Okay, right. Well, this is gonna be a good one. This way.
Oh my god. The Evelyn donut?
You don't have an Evelyn donut. Or wait.
Yes, this is the Evelyn.
What color is it?
It's white and it has sprinkles.
What's the base color?
I don't know.
Okay, you're close enough. It was the yellow donut that has.
Was it? Oh yeah, it was right. I thought I was wrong for a minute.
Okay, so the next one.
OMG. OMG. What is this? This is the emoji.
Which emoji? Just for fun. You already got it correct. Just for fun.
The heart.
Ding.
Ding. What the heck? Oh, what the heck? Okay, yeah. Is it, can I see it?
Yeah.
That's slow rising.
Okay, the next one.
OMG. OMG.
So I have to do all these?
Yeah,
okay.
The blush bun?
Correct.
Yeah.
I just say, did it? Correct. So this one should be okay.
How many minutes is it right now?
4. What's your minimum?
Like 15. Okay, this is the banana.
Correct.
Okay, quick. So quick.
Oh, I didn't tell him, but there you go.
The cupcake.
Correct.
This is a DIY one and I made it. Yeah. I forgot what it's called. But it's the bread bun one. The soft the bun thing. I forgot what it's called. But there's a jumbo version and there's a small version.
What color is it?
It's brown.
Okay.
What was it though?
the brown butt crack looking thing.
You know what it's called?
Well, close enough to it at least.
Quick. Okay. Oh, the eye bloom peach. Yellow and orange.
Correct.
Quick.
I have to go find some new. You were like,
Okay, this is the I am a Tokyo toast.
okay. Yeah, I guess so. Autumn show, but yes, that. Sorry.
The milk bottle.
Correct.
Oh, shame. Oh, the eye bloom peach, the yellow and orange.
Correct.
Oh, what is this? Oh, is this the emoji?
Yes.
Was it the crying one?
No.
Oh, sorry. I got it wrong. Oh, this is the emoji crying one.
Correct.
This is the pudding thing. Pudding yellow thing. I don't know exactly what it is.
And you were the one who made it.
Oh, this is the strawberry with the dipped in silver thing.
Correct.
How many minutes is it?
6.
Was this the emoji?
Yeah. The last one.
The one with the sticking out tongue?
Yeah.
Kind of messed up on that one.
I see that.
This is the golden donut.
Correct.
This is the other eye bloom donut.
Correct. Last one.
What is this?
You stop it.
What is this?
So how many squishies did we do? Okay, well, you try to figure that out.
What is this? Okay, I actually don't know what this is.
Okay, so you missed one. It was this little pig thing.
Ah, darn it. It's because I didn't really shape it like a peach. Dang, it's so bright out.
15, 16. You got 16 points.
Okay. Okay, we don't want to make this video so long. But okay, next. I think we're going to do hers like in another video.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, this is the
real one.
Yeah, like I bloom and put in my room and stuff.
Okay, and like the...
Yeah, okay, hurry up.
Yeah.
Oh, the...
Oh, wait. There we go.
The Dumbo,
You're on the right track.
the Jumbo, blush pen.
Correct.
And the other Jumbo blush one. This is the squishier one.
Correct.
The softer. The medium blush one.
A blush pen brow. A blush pen brow. Oh, it's kind of squished into the camera, but like.
Oh, the eye bloom peach.
Correct. The medium.
Mini blush one.
Correct.
The tofu.
Correct.
Color blue. Sorry, I have to. Excuse me.
I've
The
never
other mini blush one.
I've never heard you burp, but to be honest.
Is this a strawberry?
Yes.
Scented. Sorry. Scented like sweet candy or something. Strawberry.
Correct.
This is a big one. Oh wait, no. It's I bloom taiyaki fish.
Nice.
This bit.
I'm sorry.
Oh, this is a Sanex, like, Rillakkuma.
Correct.
Rillakkuma. Gorilla Kuma. This is the... this is the dolphin, whatever. Ibum Billy the Whale.
Correct.
Oh my god. Oh, what is this? Sentiment. Sorry if I'm smelling it, but...
Hey, you said that you can't
I know. I'm sorry if I'm smelling it. It's Ibum Billy the Whale, the jumbo.
Correct.
The other one was the mini Millie the Whale. I wanted to get the jumbo version of Millie. Oh, it's This is the croissant, the Penny Mario croissant.
Definitely.
And scented chocolate.
Somewhat of a chocolate.
Smells like coffee. Kind of. This is the bread doll angel flavor strawberry. This is the Punimaru banana.
Okay, you got all these right.
Is that all?
So yes, it is.
Oh, okay. I got all of them right. Well, except one of them, which is one of my homemade ones.
But yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna do another video on hers. Yeah. But yeah. Sorry if my hair is all crazy. Okay, well, these smell really good. I got these at So Squishies. I'll try to link them down below. So it smells like strawberry, but yeah, I like the pink chain. But yeah.
This one smells like metal.
Smell it, guys. Smell it.
It smells like the Christmas parade.
What the heck? Okay, well, anyways, okay, so I'll like, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos we should do. Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.